Today I'll be showing you how to configure Microsoft Defender antivirus settings. This antivirus is responsible for protecting your device against threats and viruses, and therefore it is important to ensure that it is turned on all the time to ensure that your device is protected every time it is in use. To configure these settings, first click on the Start icon. Select the Settings icon. Select Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Ensure that all protection are turned on so that your device is protected while using it. And that is how you configure Microsoft Defender antivirus settings. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.